low battery.
And I had to land it on somebody's sailboat out there. Emergency departure. She thinks she broke her tailbone. 2 sunny days in a row. We're going out again. Oh yeah, the only thing that's stopping us from really going bonkers today is Hannah. She's still not 100%, but we're gonna get her out for as long as we can. Look at these guys.
I just Can you put that on YouTube? Next time won't you sing with me?
Hannah, it looks really nice out there. Can we go?
No.
Can we go?
No.
Do you understand that we're gonna get in trouble?
So slight change of plans. Jessica and Hannah are still at home. Hannah was having a hard time getting ready. So it's just me and the boys, and we are at, I'm gonna say, Kok Beach.
Say that again.
K-O-K. Now, here in, I don't know if it's just Langkawi or if it's all of Malaysia, they don't take Saturday, Sunday off. They take Friday and Saturday off. So it's Friday here, and there's a fair bit of locals around because they're all enjoying their weekend. So right behind us here is the Telaga Harbor Marina, and there's also a beautiful lighthouse here. We were driving by here after the cable cars at nighttime and was able to catch a beautiful sunset just over the island. If you're into sailboats or other bigger yachts, this is an awesome place to just come in and watch these boats come in and out. Another video, I'll share a story about my sailboat adventure. For those of you who know me from back home, you are well aware of my 4 days owning a sailboat, but I'll tell that story on another day. Let's go.
Ow, my wiener.
Guess who's feeling better? Our little Bean is feeling better, so here we are at the sunset. Mommy didn't bring a bathing suit. This reminds me of like Muskoka. You never think this is the ocean. It's so calm, sun setting, surrounded by ships and small islands. Like it's beautiful. Look at this.
Critically low battery.
Just flew my drone, and coming back over the water here, started dying. Was about to die, had 1% left, and I had to land it on somebody's sailboat out there. It's on that boat over there, right there. So now I'm trying to get a kayak or something to see if I can get out there. Running across here. This is like a private beach resort, and security said you better run. So I'm just running across. We're losing daylight. Soon I won't be able to get out there and see what I'm doing. So let's see if there's a boat coming in right now and see if I can get him to take me over there. Yeah. My drone fell on the boat. Thank you so much. This is couldn't get any more lucky. just see the lights blinking on the top. Hello? Hello? Anybody home? Thank you guys, thank you so much. We got it. If you see this vlog and that's your boat, I'm so sorry for boarding without your permission, but I need to get my drone. So that's it. Another day in Langkawi. Bye for now.
The sun will come out tomorrow. Today we are going to see a waterfall.
You don't know the name of it?
Starts with a T.
Starts with a T. We don't really do a whole lot of research before we go anywhere. We just kind of...
lost there.
We got lost there and found it last time, so we're gonna go back.
We lost the children right now, actually.
Children are missing. Sorry, we're not that YouTube channel that's just like full of knowledge and history of places we go and see. It's more just like, we want you guys to experience it. Like, we're experiencing it for the first time, right?
We're not big planers.
Hey kids.
Children! It's very difficult to make a plan when you can't.
Look at that beetle. That's my cell phone next to this thing. That's my thumb. It is huge. Oh my god, it's alive.
Is it actually?
Yeah.
We actually don't know where the children are.
Kids are missing.
Hey guys, you want to see something?
Where'd you guys go?
You want to see something? Don't flick it at us now!
Don't be such a baby.
So we're about 10 minutes away, and you can already hear the waterfall. It's steaming hot in this jungle, but it's a lovely walk. Lovely. Can't wait to get into this water. Hope it's not that much further away, because then after the 10-minute mark is when the kids start complaining.
I knew it. I knew
Yeah, it's called exercise. Go get it.
It's called you guys torturing us.
Yes, that too. Emergency departure here. Jessica decided she wanted to be one of the kids and go down the slide. Went off a rock and she thinks she broke her tailbone. How's your bum? Do I need to do a deep probe?
Well, right now at basically a zoo. Langkawi Animal Zoo. Well, it's kind of a zoo. Animal center where you can feed and touch animals. Langkawi Wildlife Park.
We are at the Langkawi Wildlife Park. When we first got here, I asked if it was cheaper to get it on Klook, which is a very popular app here for excursions, much cheaper than just walking up to something and getting it. They were nice enough to just charge us the Malaysian rate, so if you're a local and you have a Malaysian passport, then you pay a lot less than a foreigner. Super nice, thank you so much for that. If you're in monsoon season and you're at Langkawi, this is a great place to come, especially with kids, because it gets them out, gets them running around, see some animals, but you're away from the rain for the most part. It's mostly covered. What's your favorite part, Bean?
About flying. I want to be duck.
I like this flying duck. 1, 2, 3. It's official. Michael is the nicest, sweetest man that we've ever met. Thank you, Michael.
Yeah, you guys enjoy it?
Yeah, it was amazing.
Good.
Michael, thank you so much.
Most welcome.
Yeah, really
Most welcome.
appreciate it.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, get some candies before I go.
Whoa, what do you got there, Hannah?
She's not sulking anymore.
She is such a mischievous monkey, this one. Oh. What do you say?
Tell.
What do you say?